LOBO System is a work platform system that combines the flexibility of traditional scaffolding with the ease of use of an aluminium tower system. The whole system revolves around our patented clamps, and this allows us to connect round tube to our trestle legs to form a platform. So once you add the tube and other additional components, and because it's modular by nature, it can be made into any shape or size. We work with some of the biggest and most prestigious companies in the world. We work with NASA, we work with General Motors, we work with Ford, Unilever, Amazon. We work with them all, trains, planes and automobiles. We excel in providing solutions to create a work platform in confined and awkward spaces. People come to us because no other product will do exactly what our product does. I've designed LOBO to reduce cost, optimize resources, and create a safer world.